Stable Diffusion is one of the best artificial intelligences of this century, which you can use to produce realistic images, fantasy, increase the accuracy and volume of images, add more details to the image, and many other applications. In the future, we will provide many videos about this artificial intelligence, so be sure to subscribe to the channel to get it from there. However, the first step to using this artificial intelligence is to install it. You can install this powerful artificial intelligence on your virtual servers or computer. In the following video, we will see how to install it on your computer. It is recommended to have a powerful computer with at least 4 gigs of graphics VRAM to produce images and increase the speed of this artificial intelligence. Otherwise, working with this program will take a long time. Installation of Stable Diffusion. This is done in 3 general steps as described in the video. Step 1. Git installation. In the first step, you should install Git through its official website and install the version of Git for your Windows. Perform the installation operation without changing the settings of the installation file. Step 2. Install Python. The second step to install Python is to download and install the corresponding version according to the video from the main site. Note that you must install version 3.10.6 for this user environment. Now you have to proceed to install Stable Diffusion. In this case, you should do this according to your graphics type, Nvidia or AMD. Note, you can see the complete information of this Stable Diffusion user interface in the link below. We install the automatic 1.1.1.11 Stable Diffusion Web UI provided on GitHub. Note that the installation method is different in some codes based on Nvidia and AMD graphics cards. Here is how to install Nvidia graphics. If you need to install AMD, comment in. Open the CMD program in the desired folder location. To do this, create a folder, installation location in your drive, and enter CMD in its load address field. Then enter the code 1 below in CMD and press Enter. Codes on description and video. When you see the word done, it's done. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. Now, if your AMD graphics card has less than 6 gigs or your Nvidia graphics card has less than 4 gigs of VRAM, do the following step. Otherwise, there is no need to do this. You can see the amount of your graphics memory through the Windows program called DXDiag and going to the Display tab and viewing Display Memory, VRAM. Now go to the Stable Diffusion installation location and look for the webyuser.bat file. Right-click on it and select Edit. Then type the following command, code 2, in front of the set, command line args value. Some errors that may occur are explained in the caption section along with the solution. Save the file and follow the steps. Note, if you plan to update the user interface in the future, you can enter CMD in the bar address and press the git pull command. Now the files related to this Stable Diffusion are being downloaded. Step 4. Download Stable Diffusion data. Click on the web.user.bat file and wait for the downloads to complete. Step 5. Entering to Stable Diffusion. When the downloads are finished, since we put the auto-launch code in the file, the program will run automatically. Otherwise, you can enter Stable Diffusion in your browser by entering the IP that it gives you to run this program with. The first thing you need to do is set the Stable Diffusion checkpoint to default. You can also install and select more advanced checkpoints. Now just enter your prompt and click Generate to create the image. Note: if you have a weak system, you can produce the output faster by reducing the image dimensions, length and width, and reducing sampling steps. Then you can upscale your photos. Also, you can work with Stable Diffusion by renting virtual servers and their powerful graphics cards. Step 6. Add model to Stable Diffusion. The default checkpoint model of this Stable Diffusion does not provide attractive works, and you need to download and install more attractive models for more attractive outputs. You can download these models from civiti.com and install them on your system. This site is a source of models for Stable Diffusion. For example, the Dream Shaper model is suitable for making fantasy real images. The PicX Real model is suitable for creating more realistic images with high details. For example, you can use it by opening this model, downloading it and placing it in the installation location. The installation location is shown in the video. Place your model in this installation location. Now in the Stable Diffusion program, click on the refresh option and the models will be loaded and usable for you. We hope you enjoyed this video. The installation steps of Stable Diffusion were presented in this section as a prerequisite for further training. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that we can also provide artificial intelligence training based on Stable Diffusion. You can also add your comments in the comments section and like the video.